Innovation happens from one person who pushes.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I started my career working at Lockheed Martin in the traditional composite manufacturing industry. I was classically trained in composite process and composite materials. That was fascinating to me because it was a combination of math, material science, and manufacturing processes. Then when I discovered additive manufacturing, it was not only a combination of math, materials, and manufacturing processes, it brought in design and computation. And it brought a whole new level because it also added automation. And so all of those disciplines interwoven together to create a final result, that really lit me up. And that was my new passion.
What kinds of advances have we seen in the additive manufacturing industry since then?
A lot of the advances have been software related. Engineering software companies are bringing new design and analysis capabilities that's allowing engineers and designers to explore all new functionality that sometimes can only be created with additive manufacturing. These designs are so unusual, perhaps a lot like trying to build a dinosaur bone or an entire dinosaur skeleton. How would you do that with conventional manufacturing? It's very difficult. But for additive manufacturing, it's not so difficult. So the developments have largely been in evolution of software and services in that area.
Now you mentioned additive gives us the opportunity to look at the products that we've been building for decades, if not generations, like automobiles in a new way.
It sure does. Additive manufacturing lets us reimagine the fundamental architecture. So when you think about an automobile and you think about where everything is placed, it's done that way through convention. We call it engineering heuristics. It's the way we've done things, and it sets the pace for the way that we continue to do things. But additive manufacturing lets you start with a clean sheet and reconsider, where does everything go? And what happens if I start moving things in places they haven't been? Well, the investment required to produce a prototype with conventional manufacturing is out of reach. But with additive manufacturing, you produce your prototype. Additive doesn't care what your geometry is. It produces whatever you design. And so it allows reimagination, reinvention of conventional products.
What's your involvement and how did you come to be acquainted with the additive manufacturing base here in the Mahoning Valley?
The Mahoning Valley has a rich culture of additive manufacturing. One of the keys to that is America Makes, headquartered in Youngstown, Ohio. That's the national and even the global focal point for technologists in additive manufacturing. They provide events, communication, and a culture that facilitates the development of additive manufacturing.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell for notifications. And also make sure to connect with us on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. For all of your business news, visit BusinessJournalDaily.com. For all of your arts and entertainment news, go to AfterHoursYoungstown.com.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
I like a bank that's a pillar in my community.
I like a bank so cutting edge, they have a lab branch.
We are so alike.
Well, we do both bank at Farmers National Bank.
Farmers.
Stand strong.